money. Don't bother yourself for calling me for money now. When my in-laws they come, definitely money will come. Yes, of course, money will come. Hi. That's why it's good to born girls. I told my wife when we are doing this thing, let her bring herself down so that I will deposit the number woman. She will not allow.
My husband.
No, come. See, our in-laws are coming. They are expecting. They just call me there. Close to the big tree.
Okay.
So when they come, comport yourself. Comport yourself.
I will.
You know, don't show them your bad characters.
I will not.
Please.
Badmus.
This must be my in-laws. This must be my in-laws.
Badmus.
You're welcome. You're welcome. My in-law.
How is the family?
We are doing well. My in-law, sit down.
Thank you very much.
Sit down.
Sit down and say, my lord, how is everything?
You're welcome. Wow.
It's been a long time.
How was the journey?
We thank God. We thank God. My son is here.
Let me quickly call my wife. Lord Yoma! Why Yoma? Come. Our long-awaited in-laws are here.
Hi.
You're welcome, my
Thank you, my husband. My in-laws. Welcome.
Thank you.
None.
Thank you.
How was the journey?
It was okay.
You're welcome. Oh, my in-laws. You mean all this thing for me? This must be this Oyibo drink we are having.
501.
501.
As for me, I have not seen this one before.
Mazi, keep quiet. What do you know? That reminds me. Let me quickly, Chukudi, go inside immediately and bring that wine I bought for my in-laws. Quickly. My in-laws, you are welcome.
US. From US.
Yes. My in-laws. This one is what I have for you. This is for you.
No problem.
You talk.
My in-law, you will not stop amazing me.
You people are highly welcome. Before we even talk anything there, go and get me my beautiful daughter. Quickly.
My throat is longing to test this.
Mazi, calm down. My in-laws, you see, don't bother about our back. Don't bother, please.
Have you seen my tomato?
No, it was stressful. Never mind.
Before you come next time again, God will have touched our people on the authority. This is my bride. Sit down.
Yes,
You're welcome.
She's beautiful. She's beautiful.
When you see the father like this, you will know what the daughter is capable of being.
like the mother.
That is my you every time. If it's not me that I know what I did for this thing. You don't. My in-law, you are welcome, boss.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Thank you.
Yes, as tradition demands, my in-laws. Here is garden egg. Garden egg is mostly used to welcome our visitors.
Now I know why my daughter is in love. Oh, you both.
My in-law, you're welcome.
My in-law. Actually, what brought us here is actually we are here to collect the marriage list. That is the
the marriage list.
Yes.
I hope you are enjoying the
No problem. It's very delicious.
Chukudi, you are just busy. You don't know we have in-laws here. Chukudi, what would you go immediately go to my wardrobe? Check up. Don't go down. Up. You see the list. And not mean the current one. The list. I say the list. Get down for them because my in-laws. When looking at them, they are ready. No need to even pressurize them.
Yes, we are ready.
Yes. You are welcome. What took you so this amount of time? This small list is what is wasting your time. My in-laws, you are welcome. No. My in-laws. this is because of my simplicity of heart. I decided to give you people just this small list. Because if I want to follow what is going on, the inflection everywhere, and what is going on in the country, I would have updated mine. But I decided, because seeing you people are very humble, you people are ready. That's why I remain the list as it is. My in-law, you can take a hold of it. Just
My in-law, we are asking for marriage list and not a university project. My in-law, I've not seen this kind of marriage list before.
let me tell you what is inside. Don't mind the simplicity of it. It's not there's nothing inside. My in-laws, listening very attentively. You are welcome. Just like I said before, this thing, there's nothing there. Let me just briefly run it down for you. 27 cakes of palm wine. Stockfish, okoroko. 82 bags. My in-law, you see with me. 25 pairs of senators, the current senators, 20 pairs of suits, body fitted. Shoes, Italian shoes, 7 pairs. Then laptops for the 26
Papa, laptop for village?
My in-law, take it easy. My in-law, take it easy.
Are you not a man?
My in-law.
No.
My in-law.
My in-law, I'm coming. Are you not a man?
My
Answer me now. Are you not a man?
I'm a man.
You are a man.
My in-law.
You are a man.
No, we are not quarreling. My in-law. Then, when it comes to my beautiful wife, what she needs is their normal Hollandis and what is it? Brazilian wig, Caribbean wig, Tanzanian wig, Malaysia wig, and a Peruvian. You know. Oh no, that should be. Then myself, you get me a Tibo, 72 a Tibo. My in-law used to with me. Then you get me senator, 40 senators, the body fitted ones, and 5 suits. Let me follow you and join like my fellow elders in the community.
Oh, yeah.
Then for the widows, you get them skirt and blouse, all in black. Gown in black. 52 bags of rice, 5 alive juice, 17 cartons. Oh. Then for the bastards, very important. My in-laws are still bastards. Good clothing, food to eat, and what's again that 27,000 2 bars of ramaz. Thank you very much. Is you carry this in your office. You have been giving your daughters in marriage. Sugar cane and carrots. And, then for the repentant militants in our communities, these guys, they decided voluntarily to give up their catapults, their knife, and all their weapons. So we will not leave them out when we are doing something like this. You get them good clothing and 10,000 naira each in their private accounts. This for the farmers. My in-laws, are you with me? Why is he wake him? Is he sleeping?
No, it's okay. It's all right.
For
he's just assimilating.
Yes. For the farmers, you just get them a tractor, modern tractor for each of the clan in the community. Each of the clan, one tractor. Then Association of Landlord, which I'm one of them. I'm their secretary. It's very important. You get them tiger head, Ishiago, for the occasion, the traditional marriage proper. My wife. What is it? You want to help me with? Then for the youths, the leader of the youth is here, and he double ups at the chairman of the sports also. You get them. This one they don't price it. This one money cannot go for it. He's here. He can confirm it. You get them JCs.
Of course.
All the clubs.
Very important.
You can say that. Now, what you do for them is to get them jerseys. They like football. This is their age. When I was like them, I know what I did with Bob. if not because of my dad. He will not allow me. Ronaldo wouldn't have seen my back. You get them. And ladder football.
Yes.
Ladder. And the pump. The pump is as good as not paying anything for my wife if you don't bring it. Very important. My in-laws, are you with me? Then unripe plantain. Unripe plantain. You get unripe plantain for all the sick people in a Chuku Smart Clinic in our community. All of them unripe plantain. Then finally, before I go, this other part, you can use money to replace them. Then disabled. Please give me my glasses. Let me not make mistake. This one, our in-laws are here. Yes, the disabled in our community, you get them wheelchairs, clutches, glasses, and all other things that will aid them live a normal life. My in-laws are still with me. Then you can see that plantain. You sink a borehole there for me. He said that is normal tradition.
Yeah.
The plantain you're seeing there
behind the building.
I will take you there. You see you. My in-laws, I hope you are with me. You sink a borehole there, a very befitting borehole with 4 tanks. 4 tanks of the GP tank. What is it called? Big size. And quickly. I would have made a big mistake. Native daughters, my in-laws. You buy them befitting this in corporate wears. And recently they just added it. It's not I'm not the one that added. You get them laptops for each of the native daughters there in our community. Yeah. They are about 82. My in-laws, I hope you're with me. Is he sleeping? Call your son. Is he sleeping?
No, he's okay. He's okay.
Then for the wayward children in our community, wayward, those children that their head is not in the house. So we try, and when we are doing such a thing in our list, to make sure that we bring them in. You get them wares, and get them. You get them Bibles. Very important for the wayward children. Bibles, Bible, Old and New Testament. Don't get anyone version. No Gideon not to be sold. And then the leaders of our community, which are the chiefs, said you get them laptops each. My in-law, are you still here? Then you get them each of the laptop comes with 10 terabytes to help back the laptop. That should be it for now. I've called widows, and some women they intend to join the widows. You can still get an extra gown for them. My-in-laws, you're welcome. You can take it. You can continue.
No, my in-law, keep it. You can keep it. We are no longer interested in the guardian.
My-in-law, which one?
No, you can see the smile on my face.
I was wondering.
James, you can see the smile on my face. My in-law, you have done noble. You have done noble. Exactly. James, are you not a man?
I'm a man.
Are you not a man?
I'm a man.
Say it again.
Papa, I'm a complete man.
Say it again.
Papa, I'm a man.
My in-law, you can hear from my son.
I like his encouragement. He has a heart. He's like you.
Thank you for your understanding. My in-law, you have done your part. You will hear from us. James, let's go.
My in-law, you can still go with the cola nut.
We don't need it. Keep it.
My love.
You can go with it.
Keep it. We don't need
Come
it.
back.
Why are you embarrassing yourself? Will you sit down?
Papa.
Sit down.
Papa, why are you doing this to me now? Papa, why? Papa, see, 5 men have been to this compound to ask my hand in marriage. This one is the 6th one now. Look at what you're doing to me. You're always giving them big leagues that will make them to go and not to come back again. Why now? You don't want me to get married.
Shut up! You see what I've been telling you? Woman.
Is she not right? Is she not right? Now do you want this girl to remain in this house? This is not fair now. This is not fair.
Nietzsche.
We will not. It will not be my turn that things will turn around.
No. Our tradition must be followed to the fullest.
Everybody have been doing it. My daughter will follow due process.
Of course.
Now you don't forget, oh. Now you don't forget that this is making the 6th man has been in this compound. Eh? And they end up going like this. Now this is not fair now. Please do something. This is not fair. This is not fair now.